Okay, now we are going to talk about campaigns. We are going to create campaigns. So what is campaign? Campaign is that manual broadcast or message you are going to send to your subscribers. It's a newsletter, an update, new product release, or a manual follow-up message. So now we're going to create campaigns. We are going to campaigns and we are going to create a new campaign. You just need to type in a name for that corresponding campaign this way, and we are going to include recipients. In this example, it is going to show me all the lists. So I just have two lists, this one and this one. In this example, I'm going to send a campaign to this corresponding list. I'm going to choose it. And also I can exclude list, but I'm going to show you how to handle this specific part later on in another video tutorial. It is a cool feature to include for specific processes. But for now, we're going to keep it this way. So which means this broadcast is going to be, this campaign is going to be sent to this specific list and pointed to those specific subscribers. And we are going to talk also about the A/B split testing in another separate video tutorial. So we're going to create a campaign and edit campaign email. We're going to type in from scratch, and you're going to type in the name of the sender and the email. And the reply information, we're going to check this box. And then we are going to next. And in this window, we are going to have the website editor where we're going to create our campaign or broadcast. So you have the opportunity to choose between plain or HTML. I'm going to work with HTML only. And the subject of the message, we're going to type in the subject, and we can add personalized content, which means we can add, I'm going to click it, and we have different options right here. We can include subscriber information, list information, or user information. If you want to include in your campaigns your subscribers' information, you need to click on this add personalized content and select it. So you just need to go by subscriber information. And in this example, I didn't create custom fields. So I'm going to track name global, which is going to be predefined in the autoresponder. If you click it, it is going to track your subscribers' information at any list. Or if you want to include another subscriber information like email address or subscription date or any other kind of information related to your subscriber, you can do it so. If you created a custom field, full name or subscriber name or whatever other corresponds to your subscriber's full name or last name, it should appear right here. You can click it, it is going to track it right here, and it's going to show that specific information when your subscriber receives your incoming email. So in this example, just for this purpose, I'm going to click in custom field, name global. So it is going to track the subscriber's information. And right here, we're going to create the body of our message, the content. This is a website editor you're going to use to create your campaign. You can extend it or compress it this way. And also you can apply different styles this way. For example, we're going to select this and we're going to highlight it. We're going to increase the font size this way, for example. We're going to change the font family this way. Also, we can insert a hyperlinks. I'm going to select it and I'm going to click this button. I'm going to type in the URL and I'm going to insert it. I can select it again and I'm going to bold it. So you can do different content improving processes to your campaign. And at the bottom of any campaign, you need to include the unsubscription link. I'm going to click this button and I'm going to list links and I'm going to click unsubscription link. So this is going to guarantee you're not doing spam and you're going to give possibility to your subscribers to unsubscribe voluntarily. Of course, you can also include tags in the content of your message. I'm going to click this button and I'm going to subscriber information and I can type in the global name or I can type in the custom field that I created for this specific list. I don't see it right here because I didn't create any custom field related to the name for this specific list, correct? But you can do it. I'm going to type in name global and there we go. It is going to track subscriber's name. I don't recommend this option to include files on your outgoing messages. not all the time it is going to be well seen for the email providers, and probably they're going to mark that specific broadcast as dangerous or as spam. I would rather recommend you to upload any documentation to any link or PDF or whatever, just include it in your content. So now we're going to, once you complete your broadcast, your campaign, we're going to next. And then you will have the possibility to see the preview of that campaign before sending it to your subscribers. You can send a preview email to yourself, or you can see it in your browser. I'm going to click this option. I can click preview campaign, and I'm going to see how it is going to be, how it is going to look like, and I can test everything. Or you can also send a preview email to yourself. You can type in an email right here, and it is going to send to your email a preview of this corresponding campaign, where you're going to double check if the content is good, all the designs are good, it is looking good, and the links are working good. It is 100% recommendable that you do this process. Okay? Once you do it, we are going to next. And right here you have different options. So you can schedule your broadcast or campaign to be sent. For example, we're going to send it now. If we're going to send it now, I just select this option and I'm going to save it. It is going to send the broadcast immediately, correct? Or you can choose on given date and time. I'm going to click it, and it is going to point me to select the time zone and the date that I want to send this corresponding broadcast and the time, correct? Or if I want to send this repeatedly, I'm going to click it. Again, I need to choose the time zone every day, every week, Monday, Tuesday, whatever it is your need, or every month, and the timing and how many times do you want this broadcast to be sent repeatedly, correct? Cool. In this example, I'm going to choose now. And once I do it, I'm going to save it, and it is going to show me the process of the send. So it sent it already. As you could see, one email has been sent because I only have one email, one subscriber in this testing list. And you will see everything. So right here, we can see that corresponding campaign sent this way with all the designs you included in your content. It landed to the inbox, of course. And also you can see the stats right here. So now let's go to talk about the stats. The statistics are so important for your marketing purposes. So we're going to check this campaign sent. I'm going to click it. It was sent 2 days ago. I'm going to click it. And these are the stats. From out of 60 emails sent, almost the 50% opened, correct? This is an open rate of 50%. From those, 4 clicked and only 1 unsubscription. So now you can see it. I'm going to click it opens, and these are the stats. Here you can see all the subscribers that clicked to open that corresponding campaign. And we're going to clicks. I'm going to click it. Here you can see all the clicks. Please keep in mind that only one subscriber can click it twice or 3 times or 4 times. As you can see right here, this subscriber clicked the same link twice, correct? So just to keep that in mind. And the open rate is exactly the same thing. For example, these subscribers opened it 2 times, as you can see right here. So it is going to count on your stats, your statistics for measuring your marketing campaigns. Also, you can see the unsubscriptions, the subscribers that voluntarily unsubscribe from your list in this example. You can export to CSV or XML this report options. You can edit a campaign and you can delete it. So let's go back to campaigns. In this part, in the overview, you will see the outbox, which means any campaign that is in this process of sending the emails at this very moment. The draft. The draft includes all those campaigns you did as a testing mode, or that for some reason they never went through, either because you never sent it or because you created it as draft only. So in this menu, you're going to see the scheduled campaigns. If you schedule your campaigns to be sent at a time frame, you're going to see them here, and pending approval just in case. You need to get the approval to send any campaign. And finally, let's suppose you don't have to build again from scratch your campaign that you just did for another list. So you need to go to campaigns, and you need to choose the corresponding campaign. I'm going to click in resend it. I just need to add the content, correct? And I just need to go and edit campaign. Once I edit it, I'm going to type in the name and email again. I'm going to save it next, and it is going to track the campaign that I just sent, but I'm going to send this campaign to another different list or to the same list, and the process is going to be exactly the same. If I go to campaign again, it is going to be in draft mode too, so that way you can see it, and you can edit it, and you can send it again and again. So this is all the content all related to campaigns.